Eric Blackmon Music.
You can't take my joy, devil. Makes me hot. Makes me clap my hands. Makes me wanna dance. Oh, you better put them hands together and have the Holy Ghost party with me.
Hi. In this lesson, I will show you how to play the main bass riff to Stomp by Kirk and God's Property. This riff was inspired by Parliament Funkadelic's One Nation Under a Groove and was played on a bass synthesizer. But I'm going to show you how I play it on bass guitar. My bass is tuned E, A, D, G, or standard tuning for bass guitar. Playing this very simple riff will take us to the 5th fret and the 3rd fret on the A string, like this. That's how we'll start. So we're at 5, 5, 3, 3, 5. And then we'll go up to the low E string and play. That's 3, 4, 5, 5, back to 3. After that, we'll continue with a walk up from 3 to 5 on the A string. So the very first riff will play like this. Thereafter, the riffs will go this way. And we'll continue through the tune with that riff. Later on, we'll do a little break. Now it's a synthesizer break, but here's a little riff that we can play that will work. That's played by going to the 5th fret on the D string, striking it and sliding it up 2 frets to the 7th fret. Then we'll slide back down to the 5th fret, then to the 3rd fret, and end on the 5th fret on the A string and slide it down like that. Here's how we'll play it. Now just after the break, the bass line will vary a little bit. We'll play it this way. What we did there was to play the 5th fret on the E string 3 times. Just like that. And actually, that's enough to get us through the entire tune. That's the bass line to Stomp by Kirk and God's Property. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.